Southlake, Texas is known for its upscale homes, manicured lawns, and vibrant community lifestyle. As homeowners here continue to invest in smart and stylish ways to improve their properties, one upgrade is gaining serious popularity: energy-efficient outdoor LED soffit lighting. This lighting solution offers more than just good looks. It's a practical and sustainable choice for homeowners who want to enhance their property's curb appeal, safety, and efficiency. So why are so many Southlake residents turning to LED soffit lighting for their outdoor spaces? Let's explore the benefits and see why this trend is here to stay. Elegant curb appeal. Day and night. For homeowners in Southlake, the appearance of the home's exterior matters just as much as what's inside. LED soffit lighting creates a sleek, polished look by casting a soft downward glow from beneath the roof eaves. This gentle illumination highlights your home's architecture, from stonework and wood accents to elegant rooflines and columns. Unlike bulky exterior light fixtures or harsh floodlights, soffit lighting is clean, low profile, and designed to complement the design of your home, not compete with it. The result is a warm, welcoming exterior that looks stunning after sunset and makes a strong first impression on visitors or potential buyers. Energy efficiency that pays off. One of the top reasons Southlake homeowners are choosing LED soffit lighting is its outstanding energy efficiency. Compared to traditional incandescent or halogen bulbs, LEDs consume significantly less electricity while delivering brighter, more focused light. This translates into lower energy bills and a reduced environmental footprint, without compromising on performance. LED soffit lighting also boasts a much longer lifespan than older lighting technologies, often lasting up to 50,000 hours or more. That means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and more peace of mind. For busy families and homeowners with larger properties, that's a big win. Added security without the harshness. Outdoor lighting isn't just about looks. It plays a crucial role in home security. Strategically installed soffit lights help illuminate shadowy areas around your home, including entryways, garages, walkways, and side yards. A well-lit exterior is a proven deterrent to potential intruders and gives homeowners greater confidence, especially at night. Unlike motion sensor floodlights that can feel jarring or overly bright, soffit lighting provides continuous, subtle illumination that keeps your home protected while maintaining its aesthetic charm. It's security lighting that doesn't sacrifice style. Smart, customizable option. Today's LED soffit lighting systems offer much more than just on and off functionality. Many Southlake homeowners are opting for smart lighting systems that can be controlled via smartphone apps or integrated into their home automation platforms. You can adjust brightness levels, set timers, or even change the color temperature to suit different seasons, holidays, or moods. Color-changing LED soffit lighting is especially popular for those who want to celebrate Christmas, the 4th of July, or game day with vibrant, custom hues. The flexibility of modern LED systems makes it easy to keep your home looking fresh and festive year-round. Built to handle Texas weather, from hot, sunny days to sudden thunderstorms, Southlake homeowners know that weather can be tough on outdoor fixtures. Fortunately, High-quality LED Soffit lighting is built to withstand the elements. These lights are water-resistant, UV-resistant, and made from durable materials that don't warp or fade over time. Once installed, they require very little upkeep, making them a smart and reliable long-term investment. No more climbing ladders to change bulbs or worrying about damaged fixtures after a storm. A valuable home upgrade. Outdoor LED Soffit lighting is more than a trend. It's a value-boosting upgrade that enhances your home's beauty, functionality, and marketability. In Southlake's competitive real estate landscape, features like professional-grade exterior lighting can give your property a lasting edge. Whether you're looking to create a more elegant nighttime presence, increase safety, or lower your energy costs, LED Soffit lighting checks all the boxes. It's a modern solution that fits right in with the Southlake lifestyle: refined, efficient, and forward-thinking.